Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you. Today is God's Day, so the Psalms for today is Psalms 27. Let me read it. Let me read it the first part of it real quick. Excuse me. Psalms 27 are Psalms of David. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked, even my enemies, came and my foes came upon me to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fell. Them often stumble and fell because the Lord is with me. I lie? Nah, man. So that's the Psalms for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day today on a Sunday. I hope you have a wonderful week this week. Prosperous one, a happy one, and all of that, right? Yeah, today I'm gonna go to the supermarket, you know. Yeah, last night I was talking to a female friend. She said single ladies go to the supermarket on a Sunday. You know, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket. That's not the reason why I always go to the supermarket on a Sunday. You know, and I don't have a woman getting problem. To be honest, I've been single though, but it's by choice. You know, I don't feel like I want to be in a relationship right now. You know, because I'm already married to the money. I can't have a fiance for real, you know. For real, I can't really have a fiance. Yeah? But I'm today, I don't know, I feel good today. For the past week, so last week, so not because this week today is a new day. It's a new week, right? So for the past week I've been just thinking about what is our purpose as human beings. What is the purpose of life? And I've came to the conclusion that the purpose of life is, well, I'm a Scorpio, by the way. This is my shirt. I'm a Scorpio. I'm a deep person. They say Scorpio is in the deep waters. So that's a side note. But all right, so the purpose of life. So the conclusion that I've found about the purpose of my life, and I feel like the purpose of our life is for us to become more of ourselves, you know, without limitation, without influence that the society has on us. Because we're brought into the world ourselves, and then due to influences, social influences, and the government and all, parents, friends, family, they influence us into becoming something that they want us to become, right? And I feel like the more I become myself, the more happier I am. The more happy I am. Yeah. So, yeah. Yes, I give thanks to life for the greatest, even when we're not in the latest. But lately, we've been in the latest. So we still have to give thanks, because life are the greatest. Ashe, namaste. Yeah. Another thing that I want to tell you, don't play the victim. I've been guilty of playing the victim, and it does nothing for you, bro. There's nothing. Being the victim means that you can't control a situation. There's nothing you can do about it. You're the victim, ma'am or sir. So there's nothing you can do about your situation because you're the victim. But if you take control of it and say, hey, I'm not the victim, you know? Because even if, like, for example, say you go out and you don't have a good time, you go out with some friends, your friend killing your vibes, or you get stood up by some friends, right? A girl that I met last time I was talking to, she was waiting on her friend, and I was saying, yo, what if your friends stood you up, yeah. And she was saying, like, we're not friends no more, we wouldn't be friends no more, and all that, you know. Yeah, so that's her taking control of a situation and not being a victim. Because what I'm saying to you, you don't be a victim, all right? There's no good can come from that. You being a victim, you're just gonna mope in a situation. I can't do anything. I'm poor, and I'm never gonna be rich because I'm a victim. The government or my parents, you know, you're never a victim. Even though I know that our parents kind of damage us from a younger age, don't be a victim to that. You're not a victim. You're a survivor. You're overcoming. You know, you control you all times and all of that. You know what I mean? Yeah. And one more thing. If you're not happy, don't try to seek happiness from somebody. I've done that before to girls, and recently girls have been doing that to me, and I realize it's not fun when you're on the other side of it, right? So when I wasn't happy back in the day, I used to want my girlfriends to make me happy. And a person cannot make you happy. You have to make you happy. You know, so if you're out here and you're watching this video right now and you're not happy with yourself and with life, go be happy. Go find happiness. And when you find happiness, you come back. And then you happy, the person that you're with is happy. Come together. Happiness. Yes. Happiness, happiness, happy. Yes. Woo! Yeah. So that's the way that it should be. And sometimes you need to cheer yourself on. Today I'm cheering myself on today because I feel it. Today is it's gonna be a great week. Today's gonna be a great day, you know. So I gotta cheer myself on to go get up and go do it. Last night I had a little bit too much to drink. I only drink Magnum and like VSOP NSC. I don't drink the regular NSC because it gives me a bad hangover, right? And I drink Patron. I like Patron. That's really nice. I want to try other liquor soon, maybe soon. But Patron's tequila and that is really nice. And I get drunk pretty easy. Maybe I've always been a lightweight, but this is my excuse, all right? I wasn't drunk last night. I've never been drunk. I feel like when you're drunk, you don't really know yourself. But that was nice, you know what I mean? Feeling a little bit nice. Like I want to get loose a little bit, you know? Yeah. So my mentor told me that the more your body the more fit your body is getting, like the more you're working out and your body's getting fit, the easier you are. The easier it is for you to get intoxicated with alcohol. Yeah. So maybe that's the reason why I get so intoxicated really quickly off a 2 Magnum. But Magnum kind of dangerous still, you know. A lot of people be downplaying Magnum. I drank 3 Magnums last night. 3 of them. You know, just vibing and meeting strangers. The night before, I was dancing with a complete stranger. You know, I was with some friends, and my friend said that girl wanted to come home with you, bro. You should have taken her number, but I didn't take her number. I'm not a whoremonger no more. I used to be a whoremonger. I stopped being a whoremonger. I'm for creating strong families now. You know, I'm trying to find a wife, create a strong family. I'm not a whoremonger no more. I'm not just gonna sleep with a girl just to sleep with a girl no more. You know, I'm respecting myself these days. I'm respecting my body because it's a temple of the Lord, as they say, right? Big up the Most High Jah, Elohim. That's it for this video. I'm gonna do another video today. I feel like I'm gonna be in the same shirt, so mind your business. When you see me in the same shirt doing my videos, I've been slacking on YouTube. I've been messing around. I've been playing video games. I've been, you know, doing nothing. And I should be vlogging and making videos. So I'm going to start making more videos. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you leave a like on this video. Comment down below. And subscribe, okay? We're out here. Peace and love on every time.